Hello, my name is Mitchell with Ideal Classic Cars, and today we will be looking at this Plymouth Duster finished in a gorgeous in violet. The Plymouth Duster is a mini Mopar muscle machine that has just as much bite as its larger counterparts. This 1972 Duster 340 packs its numbers-matching 340 cubic inch V8 under the hood matched to the desirable A727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. This Duster has been subject to an excellent refurbishment with astounding attention to detail all the way around. Inside you'll find the Charger trim grade white vinyl bucket seat interior with the wood grain console that is in outstanding condition, as if it just left the factory. Other features on this amazing Duster include rare factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, and its special V6W and V8W stripes along the distinctive 340 wedge hood. Now for the moment we all been waiting for, let's start that engine. For more information on this vehicle, call 941-966-1900 or visit idealclassiccars.net. For the best way to finance your dream car, use JJ Best. Apply online now and get approved in 5 minutes for low rates and get your dream car. Be sure to call 1-800-USA-1965 or visit www.jjbest.com. Thanks for watching.